Zarla AI Website Builder Tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a website using Zarla AI. The first thing you want to do is go onto zarla.com, or I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up. Once on Zarla.com, you're going to tap right where you see enter your business name, and you can quickly enter your business name. So for example, I'm just going to type in Jason Tutorials right here. Then we'll tap on create my website. After selecting create my website, you can choose your industry, whether you're looking to create a dog training website, a business consulting website. Any one of these options you can select from. Now let's say for example we were running a coffee shop. I'll select coffee shop, then tap on next. Then from here you can give a brief description of your business. So I'll just type in I'm running a coffee shop. After typing in your description, you'll tap on next. Then you're going to give it a few seconds while your website is being generated. Once it is up and running, you can see how your website looks. Now to start customizing it to your liking, you can tap on edit in the bottom left hand corner, and you're going to see all of the different sections that are currently on your website. So for instance, this is the header section. So if we were to tap on header, from here we could upload our logo. At the moment you can see the logo that is there. You can also tap right where you see Firecon, and if you were to go onto the Zarla paid plan, you can upload your Firecon. You can change the business name if you want. You can also change the phone number that is currently there. So for example, I could type in a phone number right here. As you can see right there, it's as easy as that. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save, and then you can continue editing. So if we were to go back, you could tap on hero, and we'll be able to edit the headline. So we could change the headline if we want. You can also change the text below it. It's as easy as that, and you can change the phone number. You could also change the hero image if you want. And you can also use their AI feature to generate a different image, or you could choose to upload an image. And continuing, you can go back. Then you could tap on the about section, and you could edit the about section if you want. By tapping on headline, you can change that. Then you can also tap on the text, and you could change the text that is currently there. It's as easy as that to edit your website using Zarla. And if it is a case that you would like to add a different section, you could tap on add, and you can see the different sections that you can quickly add. So if it is a case that, for example, you would like to add services, you could tap on services. After you have tapped on services, you can see it is now generating a new section. So we could tap on services section, and you can see it right there. Then you can edit the services section. So you could tap on brews, and you could edit the brews section, and so on. Now if it is a case that we would like to move up this section, you can also do that by selecting the section. So let's say we were to select it. After you have selected it, you can tap on move up, and you can see right there it has now moved up. So instead of it being at the exact bottom, it is now above the contact, and so on. And if it is a case that you'd like to add more sections, you can tap on add once more, and you can add more sections. It's as easy as that to edit your Zarla website. Once you're finished editing the website and it is to your liking, keep in mind if you would like to change the style, you can tap on styles, and you can change the color. You can also change the font style. Once you're finished, you'll tap on publish for free, and you're going to sign in. So you can tap on sign up with Google, or you can enter your email address and password. So I'm going to be signing up with Google, and then we'll continue the tutorial. Once you're signed up, you can see your website has been published. So now you can copy the URL, and you can share your website link. So if I were to open a new tab and paste it, you can see it right there. You can see a live view. If I were to tap on live view, you can see how it looks. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.